Hi everyone, let's take up the quizzes from yesterday and today. So in quiz 6.2, you were asked to determine some stats for this set of data. So we know that anytime we have a list of data, if we're going to find things about it, we really should put it in order from smallest to largest. So let's do that first. So I'm going to write this as 6, 10, 10, 11, 16, 18, 18, 18. Oops, 17 goes first. 17, 18, 18, 18, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay. So now what I want to do, the first thing I'm going to do is state the mode, which is quite easy here because we've written it in order. The mode is 18. How about the range? Well, the range is the max subtract the min, which is going to be 20 minus 6, which equals 14 in this case. All right, how about the median? The median is the middle. And in this case, since we have 10 data points, we have to take the average of the fifth and sixth point. Okay, so if I count over 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the fifth and sixth points. So to take the average, it would be 16 plus 17 divided by 2, which is 16.5. How about the mean? The mean is the average. So what I'm going to do is add up all the numbers and divide by the number of numbers. This ends up being 144 over 10, which is 14.4. All right, so find the mode and the median of the stem and leaf plot. Now, I saw some of you guys on your quizzes were writing out the numbers, but you don't have to do that. Yes, I know this is 51, 53, 59, and so on, but because this is already ordered in the actual table, I don't have to go and write all these numbers out. So to see the mode, I just have to look at the digits that appear most frequently in the ones column. So I can see that 81 is a number that appears 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That will be my mode. Now for the median, I have to figure out how many numbers there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I need the average of the 8th and 9th pieces of data. So I'm going to count now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need the average of 6 and 8. 6 plus 8 divided by 2 is 7. So the median here is 7. Sorry, 77, because of course this number is 76 and 78. Now for this one, guys, Catherine has 3 tests where she scored 58, 81, and 64, and she has a 4th test to add to this. And if she wants to have an overall average of 75, what should she get on her last test? So I looked at your quizzes, and there was a lot of guess and checking, and a lot of guys did this thing where they added 58 plus 81 plus 64 and divided that by 3 to get, what would this be? To get 67.666 repeating, and then they tried to average this with another test. Guys, that's not how you do it, okay? No inspection, no just saying it must be 97. Okay, or like it is 97%, that will not get you full marks. Okay, what you need to do is show me that you understand the concept of what a mean or an average is. So what you're going to do is let X represent the fourth test score. And then you are going to do the thing where you add up all 4 tests, you divide by 4, and you want your mean value to be 75. Now I'm going to add 58, 81, and 64. That's 203 plus X over 4. And then, of course, I would multiply both sides by 4 to cancel out the 4 here, which we know how to do. So that's 203 plus X equals 300. X is 97. She needs a score of 97. Okay, so please use X. Don't use inspection, and don't try to do this thing where you average the first 3 and then try to throw in the 4th one after. It doesn't work that way because they're all weighted equally at number 3. So box and whisker plots. Now remember, this is still in the world of single variable data. Okay, so these are just X values. And again, they are not ordered, so that's something we're going to want to do. All right, just make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. Our min is -5, our max is 23, and our median is going to be the average of the 6th and 7th pieces of data, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the average of 6 and 11, 6 plus 11 divided by 2 equals 17 divided by 2. The median is 8.5. Now remember, Q1 and Q3 are the medians not of the lower and upper half, not including Q2. But if we remember, Q2 is 8.5. So what I need to do is find the median. Okay, to find Q1, I'm finding the median of these 6 pieces of data. So I'm going to need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to need to take the average of the 3rd and 4th pieces of data, -1 plus 0 over 2. So Q1 is -0.5. Q3 is the average of these 6 pieces of data. So I need the average of 18 and 18. Since those numbers are the same, it's pretty easy. Q3 is 18. So let's graph a box and whisker plot. So the way I do this is I draw a line at the min, a line at the max, which would be here. Okay, and then I'm going to draw bigger lines at the median, which is 6, 7, 8.5. So roughly here, 8.5. Probably move this over a little bit, 8.5. Okay, 8.5, -0.5. Just roughly there. And 18. Okay. All right, so what should happen here is roughly 25% of my data points should be between the min and Q1. another 50%, 25% should be here, another 25% should be here, another 25% should be here. So we can see that although the number of pieces of data in these ranges is the same, the ranges themselves might be bigger or smaller.